Chris Cinnamon here along the beautiful Chicago lakefront, inviting you to join me for some morning Qigong. This will be a short set. We'll use two moves out of the ancient Qigong set called 8 Brocades Qigong. These movements are designed to get your body moving, relax you, and energize you. A great way to start your day. You'll love these moves. Let's begin. So we'll begin with the first move. It's called lifting the sky, a beautiful move that gets the whole body moving. Let's do it. Shift weight to one side, step out a little wider. Then sink into your legs a little. Make a circle with your arms and hands, palms up here at the level of the hips. And then begin to stretch lightly up through the legs as the hands come up. And somewhere around your neck, hands turn over, point toward the sky. Circle out to the side, then sink back down in your legs as you come to the bottom of your circle, the starting position again, and then repeat. Now, one thing I need to mention, if you've got something going on in your shoulders, neck, or upper back that causes discomfort, if you lift your arms too high, then don't lift your arms too high. One principle in Qigong is that we do not want to move in a way that irritates a condition or otherwise causes discomfort. So, if you got something going on in your shoulders, maybe the arms just come up to here, and that's fine. If you can comfortably lift your hands up higher, that's fine too. Adjust as you need to, so the whole movement feels comfortable, smooth, and pain-free. Now, Qi is the Mandarin word for internal energy. Gong is the Mandarin word for practice, so Qigong's energy practice. Movements designed to stimulate the flow of internal energy in ways that energize us and support health and healing. So what might this move stimulate? Well, according to Qigong theory, one way that energy moves through the body is up and down, a bottom to top, top to bottom Qi flow. So at the bottom of the move, get your mind and your feet, and just draw up anything that feels like energy to you, as far up as you can, including your head, tips of your fingers. If you don't feel anything like energy, that's fine. But if you do, begin to use this movement to work with those sensations. If you don't feel anything like energy, according to Qigong theory, even if you don't feel it, these moves stimulate those Qi flows. And for most people with practice, they begin to tune into some sensations in their body that feel like energy. And again, then you can use these movements to work with those sensations. Drawing energy up, releasing energy down. And we can add breathing patterns. So as you go up, inhale. As you circle down, exhale. Inhale as you drop. Exhale as you release down. Two more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Come back to the starting position. Shift weight. Bring the other foot in a little. And stand comfortably for a moment. Feel how you feel. After 25 repetitions of lifting the sky. If that feels good, note that. You're onto something. All right, the next move is called separating heaven and earth. And the beginning position is very similar to lifting the sky. I'll show you. I'm going to step out, sink into my legs a little, place my hands at this starting position. What's different though is I turn one hand over. So watch, I'll demonstrate the move. So the hand that's palmed down goes down to the side of the hip. The hand that's palms up does a move that's very similar to lift in the sky. Comes up and turns over. And then I sink into the legs again. Bottom palm turns palm up, descending palm, palm down, and then you repeat on the other side. So join me here if you're not already. One palm up, one palm down. The palm that's going down is going to, the palm that's palm down is going to come here by the hip. The other is going to go up toward the sky. Here we go. Stretching up through the legs, one hand down, one hand up. Sinking back into the legs, back to the starting position, and repeat on the other side. So in Qigong theory, another way that energy moves in the body is up one side, down the other. So maybe this move is designed to stimulate that kind of qi flow. So as your palm goes down, feel for any sense of anything descending on that side. As the palm goes up, feel for any sense of anything rising on that side. Down one side, up the other. Smoothing out your movements. Now we're going to add one more movement component that might help. On the side where the palm goes down, shift your weight. Then weight comes back to the middle at the starting position, and shift weight to the other side. And just feel if that weight shift contributes to any sense of anything going down on that side. And if the weight shift off one leg contributes to any sense of anything going up. And then we can add a breathing pattern. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Two more. Last one. Smoothly back to the starting position. Well, that concludes our morning Qigong set. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.